them on there.
Grandma, you never... I mean, we got a dishwasher. Have you got a dishwasher?
Yeah.
So you have to empty it now and again?
Yeah. And put stuff in.
Ah, put stuff in. Ah, yeah. He does. Good on you. You know what his dad says to him? Not having no spending money unless he works for it.
Mum gives me a £5 if I open my room.
So it's not just me.
That didn't work, did it?
Does your grandma spoil you?
That one didn't work either.
Yeah.
I'm a cousin.
You and your cousin?
Yeah.
Spoils you something stupid. Yeah.
Luke might be able to come and Skegness.
What, this weekend?
Yeah, I'll ask my mum.
Okay, nice.
He might have dojo.
When you do dojo?
Friday, Saturday, grading's on, assessment's on until like 6 weeks time, so we're alright to miss one.
Well, your dad's at hospital all Friday at 4:20, so we won't be going till Friday evening anyway.
Are you actually filming?
Or
No.
Saturday morning.
No.
Are you actually filming?
No. No.
Post it on Facebook. It's effort. My dog can do a better job than me. And she don't even need a dishwasher, she's got a tongue. Effort. Not funny.
Yes.
That's it, I've been embarrassed in speaking every one of my friends.
What, you don't think they have to empty dishwashers?
No,
I think you'll find they do.
they have parents.
Just do it. Parents do everything else. So far you can get on with it.
My friend does it.
Oh, shut up. Dad loaded it.
Did they?
I messed it up by cooking.
Ow. This knife's still got butter on it.
I bet your brother shoved one in.
Yeah. Butter. That one's still got something on it. That one's still got something
Are
on
we
it.
actually putting it away or are we just emptying it all back in here?
That one's still got some stuff on it.
No, it hasn't.
This is funny, Keenan, because it's going to go on your Facebook.
Put it on Facebook.
How to empty the dishwasher.
Everything that I put on Facebook, like in between. Now Dad thinks that I'm like obsessed with it, even though I am, but he thinks that I want to be real.
You do seem quite proud of being sick. Even though you're not.
Can't put a lid on it.
The lid not go on. Oh! Sound like Chewbacca.
I think this is enough for